Alright guys, here we are back up underneath the Durango. We're gonna go ahead and get this oil changed real quick. We got our jack stand over here. Let's go ahead and get these safety glasses on. She's tight. Try to get that lined up the best we can. There we go. Out of that pan. Definitely need to redo the pan seal. She should have 5 quarts. There's four quarts there, and then we probably got another quart. Probably got another quart in the hand. Tighten it. Grab a little rag. Wipe her off. Wipe that oil off, just so that later we can see if there's any leaks. I usually do this just to make sure that if there is any leaks after I'm finished, I can see them. Alright guys, got the ratchet. I can't really see anything. The glasses are fogged up. Alright. Make sure she's on lefty-loosey, not righty-tighty. Alright, she came off pretty easy. That's good. Oh yeah. She's gonna make a mess, boys. Try not to get it on my hoodie. Or my camera. There we go. Good old Valvoline oil filter on her. She don't have a date. We want to make sure that we got this ring, because you don't want to put the other one on and that ring be on there, this seal, because if not, you'll have a double seal, which will cause a leak. And you definitely want to get all this sprayed off, all this oil. I get my oil filter wrench off. There we go. Get the oil filter wrench off. These things come in handy, especially when you know what size filter you got. Go ahead and set that off to the side, take these gloves off, and get the new one put on. Alright guys, got safety gear on. I'm going to go ahead and get this. You don't want to let this stuff evaporate, especially when you're spraying up towards your old filter. Alright, back over here with the new filter. Got a Fram, big. Make sure our O-ring's here. Alright, and what I usually do, I usually buy the 5 quarts, which is what it holds, the 5 quarts. And then I buy just 1 extra quart so that I can fill this up and I usually use about 4 quarts here. So I want to fill this, oil this ring up before I put it on, just for a little bit more of a grip. And when you go ahead and start that engine, it already has oil in the filter to suck into the engine. I run conventional. She had conventional in her. She is full. We'll go ahead and sit that there so it doesn't make a mess. You can see right there that she is full. And this excess stuff, I'll sit and run around the bead here to get it lubricated. Alright, and then she is good to go back on. So I'm going to go ahead and slide. Sorry guys, blocking your view with my big head. Got it hand tight in there. Go ahead and grab our wrench. Put her on her. Definitely want to make sure we wash off our utensils after this. Alright guys, while we were doing there, our struts just came in from FedEx. This should be ours. What's up, bud? Thank you, bud. You have a good one. Alright guys, here we go. Here's our new struts. Perfect day, perfect timing. There we go, guys. Struts right there. Front and rear struts. Alright. Now we got all that done. Let's go ahead and tighten up this old pin. You don't want to make it too tight. You don't want it to come loose though. Someone commented last video that I was missing my cap. I got her, baby. Got the cap. Getting our 5 quarts of fresh oil. We'll fill this 5, then we'll check the dipstick, see how we're doing. Alright, let's go ahead and check the dipstick. full. And that's with about 5.5 quarts. That's a half a quart in the filter, and then 5 quarts in the engine. Let's go ahead and let that sit for a second. Make sure we don't got no drips in the bottom. Alright guys, we got it running. We got nothing dripping, so that's good. She is full. Oil change is complete. We're now going to go ahead and move on to this brake caliper over here. Replace this brake caliper, and more than likely the strut also while we're here, if we can get to it. It looks pretty seized up there. We'll try some WD-40, a little breaker bar, and if that doesn't work, we'll definitely switch to heat. We'll get some heat on it.